Theta value equivalent to $0.7643 a coin. The present reach, $0.7557. $0.7698. The earlier day close, $0.7578. The change was plus 0.0065. Plus 0.86%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for August 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.78. Greatest cost 81 cents. Least cost 62 cents. The normal for the month 73 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 70 cents. Change for August 10.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. To start with, cost at $0.70. Greatest cost 87 cents. Least cost 60 cents. The normal for the month 71 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 65 cents. Change for September 7.1%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.65. Most extreme cost 75 cents. Least cost 65 cents. The normal for the month 69 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 70 cents. Change for October 7.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Before all else, cost at $0.70. Most extreme cost 70 cents. Least cost 57 cents. The normal for the month 65 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 61 cents. Change for November 12.9%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.61. Greatest cost 61 cents. Least cost 48 cents. The normal for the month 56 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 52 cents. Change for December 14.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with, cost at $0.52. Most extreme cost 52 cents. Least cost 46 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for January 5.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.49. Most extreme cost 49 cents. Least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 45 cents. Change for February 8.2%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. To start with, cost at $0.45. Greatest cost 52 cents. Least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for spring 8.9%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.49. Greatest cost 61 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 54 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 57 cents. Change for April 16.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.57. Most extreme cost 57 cents. Least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 52 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 48 cents. Change for May 15.8%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.48. Most extreme cost 48 cents. Least cost 37 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 40 cents. Change for June 16.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. To start with, cost at $0.40. Greatest cost 46 cents. Least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 42 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 43 cents. Change for July 7.5%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.43. Most extreme cost 43 cents. Least cost 37 cents. The normal for the month 41 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 40 cents. Change for August 7.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 24 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 22 cents. Change for September 10.0%. USD to Theta expectations for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.282 Thetas. Greatest cost 1.613. least 1.235. The normal for the month 1.390. The United States dollars to Theta figure toward the month's end 1.429. Change for August 11.5%. Dollar to Theta figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 1.429 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.667. Least 1.149. The normal for the month 1.446. The United States dollars to Theta estimate toward the month's end 1.538. Change for September 7.6%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at 1.538 Thetas. Greatest cost 1.538. Least 1.333. The normal for the month 1.460. The United States dollars to Theta estimate toward the month's end 1.429. Change for October 7.1%. Dollar to Theta estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.429 Thetas. Greatest cost 1.754. Least 1.429. The normal for the month 1.563. The United States dollars to Theta figure toward the month's end 1.639. Change for November 14.7%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.639 Thetas. Most extreme cost 2.083. Least 1.639. The normal for the month 1.821. The United States dollars to Theta estimate toward the month's end 1.923. Change for December 17.3%. Dollar to Theta estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.923 Thetas. Greatest cost 2.174. Least 1.923. The normal for the month 2.015. The United States dollars to Theta gauge toward the month's end 2.041. Change for January 6.1%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for February 2024. To start with cost at 2.041 Thetas. Greatest cost 2.381. Least 2.041. The normal for the month 2.171. The United States dollars to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 2.222. Change for February 8.9%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for WOC 2024. At the outset cost at 2.222 Thetas. Most extreme cost 2.222. Least 1.923. The normal for the month 2.102. The United States dollars to Theta figure toward the month's end 2.041. Change for spring 8.1%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at 2.041 Thetas. Most extreme cost 2.041. Least 1.639. The normal for the month 1.869. The United States dollars to Theta gauge toward the month's end 1.754. Change for April 14.1%. Dollar to Theta gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.75.